So, is the DJI Avata 360 the real deal, or just another overhyped leak? I've been digging into the latest rumors, leaks, and some surprisingly solid evidence, and here's what I found. First up, the Avata 360, sometimes called the Avata 3, is rumored to be DJI's first true FPV drone with a built-in 360-degree camera. Think immersive, spherical video, and a direct challenge to the anti-gravity A1. But before you get too excited, let's talk about the so-called hands-on reviews floating around. Most are based on pre-release prototypes or even renders, not final products. So yeah, take those first impressions with a big grain of salt. However, there's some legit smoke behind this fire. The Avata 360 reportedly passed FCC testing back in November 2025. That's a real hurdle for any wireless device in the US, and it means DJI is serious. Plus, notorious leakster All Quadro News dropped high-res marketing shots and pricing tables, and their track record with DJI news is pretty much bulletproof. So what's under the hood? Leaks point to dual 1.1-inch sensors, shooting either 5.7K or even 8K full 360-degree video. The gimbal is supposed to rotate, letting you switch from classic FPV to a wild all-around capture mode. For safety, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with LiDAR makes its Avata debut. Finally, and battery? You're looking at a possible 30-minute flight, a nice bump from the Avata 2. Pricing leaks say around $426 in China, but for the US, expect the Fly More combo to hit close to $990. Here's the clincher. Because FCC approval came just before new US regulations, the Avata 360 should actually be available all through 2026, even if newer DJI drones face bans. If DJI follows tradition, the official reveal should drop in early spring. So, is it hype or the real deal? With all these signs, I'd say, get ready.